Picture this. You're scrolling through your newsfeed and you keep seeing headlines about AI. AI revolutionizes healthcare. AI transforms finance. AI reshapes marketing. It seems like every industry is being disrupted by artificial intelligence. And you start to wonder, am I going to be left behind? But then you remember, you're not one to sit on the sidelines. You are a go-getter, always looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve and advance your career. And that's when you see it. AWS, the cloud computing giant, has just announced 2 new certifications: the AWS Certified AI Practitioner and the AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer Associate. Your heart starts racing. Could this be it? The opportunity that you've been waiting for to break into the world of AI and future-proof your career. But wait, are these certifications actually worth it? Will they really give you the skills and credentials that you need to succeed? Now don't worry, that's exactly what we're going to find out in today's video. We're going to dive deep into the AWS Certified AI Practitioner and the AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer Associate. We'll explore what these certifications cover, how they can benefit your career, and most importantly, whether they are worth your time and effort. Because let's face it, you don't want to waste your time on a certification that's not going to pay off. You want to invest in skills that will make you indispensable in the job market, that will open up new opportunities and help you command a higher salary. And that's what I'm here to help you figure out. As someone who's pursued multiple AWS certifications, from the foundational to the associate to the professional, and seen firsthand the impact that they can have on your career, I'm going to give you my honest take on these new AWS certifications. So whether you are a developer looking to understand how AI can be applied in your field, or a cloud engineer wanting to dive deep into machine learning, by the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of what these certifications entail, and more importantly, whether they are a right fit for your career goals. But before we get started, you should check out my weekly cloud newsletter where I share free resources, tutorials, bootcamps, and so much more, helping you make your cloud move. First up, let's talk about the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. Now, this certification is designed for people who want to understand AI and machine learning, but who don't necessarily have a technical background. It covers all the basics: what AI and machine learning are, how they work, and how they're being used in the real world. You'll learn about different types of AI, like machine learning and deep learning, and you'll get an introduction to cutting-edge techniques like generative AI and prompt engineering. Now, the exam itself is 120 minutes long and has 85 multiple-choice questions. And here is the best part: it only costs $75, which is a lot cheaper than most other AWS certifications. So why should you even bother getting the AWS Certified AI Practitioner? Well, let me paint you a picture. Imagine walking into a job interview and being able to say, yes, I am certified in AI by AWS. Instantly, you'll stand out from the crowd. Companies are desperate for people who understand AI, even if they're not technical experts, because they need people who can bridge the gap between the technical side and the business side. And that's exactly what this certification prepares you for. You'll be able to walk into meetings with data scientists and finally understand what the heck they're working on and what the heck they're saying. You'll be able to spot opportunities for AI in your own work and suggest new ideas. Plus, let's not forget about the money. According to AWS, people with AI skills can earn up to 47% more than those without. That's a massive boost to your earning potential. Now, I'm not saying just getting this certification will be able to make you more money. That's not the case. You need to complement it with real-world practical projects. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, what about the other AWS certifications? How does the AI Practitioner compare? And it's a great question. Let's take the AWS Certified Machine Learning Associate, for example. Now, this certification is geared towards more technical professionals who actually build and deploy AI solutions. It digs deep into the nitty-gritty of optimizing models and managing machine learning pipelines. Now, in contrast, the AI Practitioner certification is focused on foundational knowledge and use cases. It's about understanding AI at a high level and being able to apply it into a business context. You can think of it like this: the machine learning engineer is the mechanic who gets under the hood and tinkers with the engine, while the AI practitioner is the driver who understands how the car works and can use it to get from point A to point B. Of course, both roles are critical, but they serve different purposes. And if you're a non-technical professional looking to get started with AI, the AWS Certified AI Practitioner is a good place to start. From there, you can always deepen your technical skills with certifications like the AWS Solution Architect or the Data Engineer Associate. Remember, make sure you're using real-world projects to complement the theory from the certifications. But enough about the certifications itself. Let's talk about why AI skills are insanely valuable in today's business world. AI and machine learning are changing industries across the board. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even accelerate the discovery of new drugs. In finance, AI is powering fraud detection, risk assessment, and personalized investment advice. And with the rise of generative AI, the possibilities are truly endless. Marketers are using AI to generate ad copy and social media posts that engage customers like never before. Designers are using AI to create stunning logos and graphics in a fraction of the time. And writers are using AI to brainstorm new ideas and overcome the creative blocks. Now, my point is that no matter what industry that you're in, AI is changing the game. And as these use cases continue to expand, the demand for professionals who understand AI and apply it in their work is going to go through the absolute roof. In fact, a recent study by McKinsey found that nearly half of all companies are already using AI in at least one business function. And by 2030, AI is expected to contribute over 30 trillion to the global economy. That's a trillion with a T. So whether you are in sales, marketing, finance, or any other non-technical role, understanding AI concepts and applications is becoming a must-have skill. And the AWS Certified AI Practitioner is your ticket to riding this AI wave. Now, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't also mention some of the potential drawbacks and considerations around the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. Firstly, it's important to understand that this is a foundational level certification. It gives you an overview of AI concepts and its use cases, but it doesn't dive deep into the technical aspects of building and deploying AI models. For some professionals, this high-level understanding might not be enough to fully apply AI in their day-to-day work. Secondly, the AI field is evolving at a breakneck pace. New techniques, tools, and applications are emerging all of the time. And what you learn for the certification today might be outdated tomorrow. To stay relevant, you'll need to commit to continuously learning and skill development beyond just certifications. And finally, some professionals might be concerned that the certification is too focused on AWS specific services and tools. Now, while the exam does cover some AWS offerings, the core concepts and techniques are actually applicable across any platform or any cloud provider. So, what's my personal take on the AWS Certified AI Practitioner? As someone who's pursued and achieved multiple AWS certifications, I've seen firsthand the value that they can provide in terms of learning theory and validating your knowledge. Now, with that said, it's important to understand that certifications alone do not guarantee you anything, especially not jobs or increased pay, no matter what that AWS study even says. Now, in my experience, while AWS certifications can help you learn the theoretical concepts and best practices, it's the practical application of that knowledge that truly helps you develop your skills and your expertise. Employers are looking for professionals who can not only understand AI concepts, but also apply them to solve real-world challenges. And that's why I strongly recommend complementing your certification journey with hands-on practical experience. Build real-world projects, experiment with different AI tools and techniques, and find opportunities to apply your knowledge in a practical way. This could involve contributing to open source projects, participating in hackathons, or even taking on some freelance work. By combining the theoretical foundation of the AWS Certified AI Practitioner with practical experience, you'll be better equipped to showcase your skills and stand out to potential employers. You'll be able to demonstrate not just what you know, but what you can do with that knowledge. And I think certifications alone do not give you that. That said, I still believe the AWS Certified AI Practitioner is a valuable certification for non-technical professionals looking to use the power of AI. It provides you with a structured learning path and validates your understanding of key concepts. Now, just remember, it's only one piece of the puzzle. You need to continually build the foundation with real-world application. As for timing, there's no better time than the present to start building building your AI skills. The field is evolving quickly, and the demand for professionals who can bridge the gap between AI technology and business applications is only going to grow. By starting your journey with the AWS Certified AI Practitioner and just continuously expanding your practical experience, you'll position yourself to ride this wave of AI innovation. Now, to wrap it up, the AWS Certified AI Practitioner is a great way for non-technical people to break into the world of AI. It provides a foundation in AI concepts and use cases, and it can also open a few doors in your career, but it's one piece of the puzzle. To really succeed, you need to combine the certification with continuous learning and real-world practice. And that is my take on the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. I hope this video has helped you understand what the certification is all about and whether it's right for you. If you found it useful, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below if you're going to take this AI certified exam, because I'd love to hear from you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.